Hey, what's going on, everybody? Sadistic Picker here, and we're back with the fourth video on fixing our MasterLock, and boy, have we fucking robbed Peter to pay Paul. So, I found some springs, and I don't know if it's gonna work. I think it's gonna work, and I think it's gonna be super fucking tough to set the pins when we're done, but I'll show you what my idea is. So, if you guys don't know what these are retaining pins that hold the cap on. These are the springs, 2 retaining pins that hold the caps on. Now, I had 4 that I'd ordered from Sparrows, but I had to rob one out of a lock that I really didn't want to rob out of. But we're going to see if it works, and if it does work, then we're set. And all I have to do is convince a friend of mine, locksmith friend of mine, to send me some more springs. And if I gotta pay for them, no problem. We need to fix some of these locks because they're meant to be CL'd and pushed out. But we threaded the Bible chambers, we threaded core chambers, so I'm super excited. Really super excited. Let's see, pin 5 is no lift, or extremely low lift, so it's pin 4 that's extremely high. And I think even though that sticks out, that'll work. Alright, let's see if we can't do this, people. Let's make sure there ain't anything extremely wrong with this, so when we do slide it in, it doesn't fuck it up. Just that lip, but we'll use a shim. Got a shim right here. Yeah, that works. Still covers. All right. Let's see if we can't do this. This is going to be a little gritty. Man, I don't know how that's going to work. Well, let's hopefully we can pop them in there without having to shim it back together. Uh-oh. Dang it. He put the springs the wrong way. All right, let's try this again. Went the wrong side of the lock. All right. Ooh, crunchy, but this bastard works. Crunchy, but works. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, yeah, baby. I will take crunchy, but working. We will take crunchy, but working, people. Uh-oh. Where are the fucking pliers? No! Oh, man.
What's up, Kevin?
That is tough work, but it works. You're fine.
Okay.
Ah! We fixed it! We fixed it. All right.
Oh, I dropped that. Sorry.
Where did I do with the rest of this shit? Oh, that's right. We locked this back up. Man, I bet this beast is going to be a fucking tough pick. That makes me happy. At least fucking one thing went right today in the end. I mean, right? Right? No, not right. All right. Time for the test. And the cool thing is it no longer over fucking rotates. Why in the hell? Oh, that's right. Duh. Of course it could still over rotate when you pick. Here, I thought I just solved something. Jesus. You know what would stop it from over rotating? A pin that pushed to the side. But I mean, I guess you don't want to help lock pickers out, right? Right? All right, everybody. If you found this informative, entertaining, or just stupid, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe and make sure that notification bell's turned all the time. I appreciate you guys sticking through this one. All right, everybody. Heavy bacon.